The SPA extension is most frequently encountered as a thermo-scientific OMNIC spectrum, or a MikuMikuDance sphere map. It functions as either a high-precision infrared, IR spectral dataset used in chemical analysis, or a specialized texture file used to add shine to 3D anime models. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's determine if we are identifying a chemical compound or rendering a 3D character's hair. For those who want the most versatile tool, it's coming, and it features my favorite single SPA file, inspection utility that is compatible with hundreds of formats. In the world of laboratory science, the SPA format is the native output of Thermo Scientific's OMNIC software, used with Nicolet FTIR spectrometers. These files are not simple images, they contain raw interferogram data and transformed absorbance, transmittance spectra used to identify materials. In the animation subculture, bought SPA is a core component of MikuMikuDance MMD. While it functions like a standard bitmap, the SPA extension tells the MMD engine to treat the image as a sphere map, wrapping it around a 3D model to simulate complex reflections and metallic highlights without the processing cost of real-time ray tracing. OMNIC SPA files are governed by a proprietary binary protocol that stores x-axis, wavenumber, and y-axis, intensity, coordinates, alongside mission-critical metadata such as laser frequency, scan count, and resolution. MikuMikuDance bought SPA files are technically standard BMP, Bitmap, or TGA files that have been manually renamed. They follow a spherical coordinate mapping protocol where the 2D image is projected onto the 3D geometry based on the normals of the model's faces, creating a faked environmental reflection. Optimal handling of the SPA format is achieved using MikuMikuDance by Yu Higuchi. Windows is unable to interpret the specific configuration values within the file. Windows offers only a basic outline, while full content must be accessed through modding or dev tools. We are performing a vital system software check. Right-click your SPA file and choose Open With. Test with MikuMikuDance first. If it's missing, select another program. The fix is often a simple software switch. If your SPA file isn't cooperating, don't worry. This format is tricky. Since the SPA file is so specific, let's confirm your environment. We need to verify these key details before fixing the error. First, identify the data environment. To distinguish this file, check its folder neighbors. If the file is in a directory labeled Spectral Data, Lab Results, or Nicolet, and is around 50 kb to 200 kb, it is a chemical spectrum. If it is located within an MMD or model folder alongside .pmx or .vmd files and is a larger image-like size, it is a 3D texture. You can verify a MMD file by attempting to open it in a standard photo viewer. If it displays a circular orb-like image, it is a sphere map. OMNIC files will appear as unreadable binary data in any non-specialized viewer. Next, loading an application selection. To open a spectral SPA file, you must use OMNIC software or a laboratory-grade suite like Essential FTIR. Because these files are binary and proprietary, you cannot simply import them into Excel. You must first use a converter to turn them into a CSV or DPT data point table format. For MMD users, you do not open the SPA file directly. You reference it within the Material tab of the PMX editor. If you want to view the texture alone, you can safely rename the extension to .bmp and open it with any standard Windows image app. Finally, resolving access and header errors. The most common issue when opening a spectral GSPA file is a header mismatch, which happens when a file from a newer Nicolet IS50 spectrometer is opened in an older version of OMNIC. Updating the software to the latest service pack usually fixes the compatibility. For 3D artists, the most frequent error is missing texture, which occurs when the model's file path to the .spa is absolute rather than relative. Ensuring the .spa file is in the same folder as the PMX model file, and that the file name in the PMX editor matches exactly, case-sensitive, will restore the 3D highlights. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.